Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a double flamenco. Really useful if you already know how to do an accordion flamenco. That's kind of the basic one, and that's what this one is based on. So do have a look at that in the description below if you don't already know it. But if you do, you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can do faster or slower spins out. You can walk for different lengths of time, but this is just a nice, easy version of the double flamenco. So let's break it down. It starts exactly the same as an accordion flamenco. So we go semicircle back, we're going to offer the hand. We could do some accordions first, but we're just going to jump straight in. So what we're going to do is, as we come in and collect the hand, we're going to take the right over to the right to spin the lady in a return direction. It feels like a spin, even though technically we're holding on, so it should be a turn, purely because this one's doing all the leading and this is just connecting up on the way through. As the lady goes round, we walk into our flamenco. So this is just the accordion flamenco on its own so far. We come into position and we walk, and we're going to walk for 2. When we roll the lady out into what would normally have been the spin away at the end, we keep hold with the left hand, so the lady goes all the way around. We recollect with the right, so we're back in an accordion. We do one section of an accordion, switching sides. And now, using the hand that's low, we're effectively giving the lady a spin in a turn direction, because that right hand is very passive through this motion. So as we come in, guys head out to the right. We roll the hand to get the nice arm line. Right arms out across the tummies. Lady linking up or not is not too much of a problem. And we're walking around in the opposite direction to the way we were before. So we're walking for 1 and walking for 2. We're going to lead the lady past, releasing with the right, roll the lady out into a spin. It's actually a return spin, and we just catch left to right or right to right, and you've finished the move already. So let's do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers, so we'll get our timing, though obviously you can change the timing quite a lot because it's a walk around move. We go semicircle back and offer 1, return spin collecting the hand on the way in, 2, we hit flamenco, 3, walk in, 4 and 5, turn the lady, 6, catching, 7, return, 8, accordion position, 1. Now we've got that kind of spin turn, so we send the lady off, 2, other side of the flamenco, 3, walking, 4 and 5, bring the lady past, 6, spin out, 7 and catch, 8. Again, you could do that a count faster or a count slower on the way out, and it's kind of going to depend on whether you're dancing to a fast track or a slow track, which one is going to feel nicer. Okay, so let's try it. Here we go. To a count, 5, 6, double flamenco. It's offer around in the flamenco, walk in 1, 2, turn, collect, return, look, spin through into the flamenco, walk in 1, 2, lady through into the spin and catch. That's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you have fun with it out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell if you are finding what we're doing useful. That's what you can do to help us, and it will help us produce more stuff for you. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.